Good morning everyone! Happy Sunday! So we are on our way to Walmart. Syempre meron na naman tayong grocery shopping video and haul. And then for today, share din namin sa inyo kung magkano ba ang aming weekly grocery shopping budget for the year 2025. Kasi may iba na siya. Ayan si Mr. Kakarating lang yan kaninang umaga from work. So ayun, see you there sa Walmart. Si Mister, hindi ko alam kung kahapon ba yun o nung isang araw, meron siyang ano tawag doon, surprise drug test. Love, can you share them what happened to your surprise drug test?
Well, they told me I had to go into the office to sign something, so they lied to me. And then I got to the office and they're like, oh, you got pulled for a random drug test. And I said, okay. And so it was a big waste of time. It took like 3 hours. I gotta text the manager about that. I forgot. Anyways, they said it was random, but I think it's because I turned the truck in and it was missing half the bumper because I hit a deer. And I think because of, I told them I hit a deer, and I think because of that they were like, oh, we gotta drug test this guy, he hit a deer. Even though it was their fault because they wanted me to drive around at night with the lights shining in my face.
What did the lady do to you?
She shaved the hair off my arm.
How do you feel about it?
It feels stupid. It's all itchy and scratchy.
Sa ganun ka-importante sa trabaho ni Mr. bilang truck driver talaga na sumunod sa rule na, what's the rule? Don't use prohibited drugs and then alcohol, don't drink alcohol. Kasi nga meron silang mga ganyan random drug test, and pagka nahuli sila, wala na tayong kabuhayan. Mawalan sila ng trabaho. Kaya si Mr. talaga hindi yan nag-take ng mga ganyan. Kasi nga, diba, yun yung trabaho niya. And then, sa pag-iinom, minsan lang pag-iinom. Is it also not allowed for you to drink when you're driving, right? When you're at work. But if you're off work, you can still drink.
Yeah, which is stupid because if you have a hangover, you're allowed to go drive around with a hangover.
Are you?
Yeah. They say don't drink within 12 hours of your shift, but it takes like a day or 2 or 3 days for a hangover to go away. For me, it takes like a week. And so they're, but then they don't let us smoke pot, even though everybody else gets to smoke pot when there's no hangover for pot.
So yan, kaya bihira dito talaga mag-inom si Mr. So dumaan muna kami dito sa isang dealership, pero closed sila dahil Sunday. So may tinitingnan si Mr. kasi meron siyang nakitang minivan, kasi nga plano namin bumili ng minivan. Yung first na aming pinaplano is SUV. Kaya lang why did you change your mind that instead of buying an SUV you just want a minivan?
Because the only benefit of an SUV is that we can drive over small rocks. You can't even drive over big rocks. You can drive over small rocks. And other than that, it's just like, a car. Or a truck. But it just ain't right what we need, because we're going to have 2 kids. And the benefits of a minivan is lots of benefits. The benefits of an SUV is you can just drive over some rocks. It's not a good benefit because you still got the seats. In the minivan, you have all this open space. So Zeta can sit and play with toys. We can go hang around places and have like a picnic inside of the vehicle. We can go over here, we can go over there. And it's always like we're kind of at our house. We can have like a home away from home. Whereas when you're in a vehicle, you're like kind of cramped because of the seats. You're just like stuck in the shape of the seats all the time. But if you have a minivan, you can like move around. And because I'm always the one who's got to move the Zeta into her seat, out of her seat, into her seat. And then it's going to be the same thing with the babies. So I'm going to be moving 2 babies around
sure if I'm anemic. You're so...
Very lazy.
I'm not lazy. You're lazy.
Anyways, it's me who's got to move the kids around. And if we're in the minivan, we got more space for moving the kids around. Or if they need a diaper, you can throw the diaper thing down on the floor of the minivan and change the diaper real easy. Whereas if you got car seats, you can't really change the diaper that easy. So it's mostly about changing diapers, but also about having a place to go and relax. Because she always wants me to take me there, take me here. I want to go here, I want to go there. And I think that if I had, a place to chill, I'll go more places. And we could just chill in the minivan. 'Cause if I don't like going places, then I feel like I got nowhere to be. It's just like, if there's not a bench, you're gonna sit in the dirt,
So ayun, kaya minivan na yung aming bibilhin. So naghahanap pa kami ng magandang deal. And marami nagsasuggest sa inyo na dapat sa anong tawag dyan? Dapat sa dealership para mas maging okay. So naghahanap din naman kami ng mga dealership na may magandang deal na kayang pasok sa aming budget. Kasi nga, as much as possible ay gusto bayaran ni Mr. ng buo. Yung walang utang-utang. So ayun, sana makahanap kami. When are we planning to buy it?
I might go do it tomorrow. I kind of want to get it out of the way.
Yan, bukas na agad. Ganyan siya. Ganyan siya. Pag mag-decision. Pero yan sinasab, magaling talaga humawak ng pera kumpara sa akin. Kaya talaga siya yung nag-handle ng aming mga gastusin. So, ayun. So, maghahanap pa kami. Tingnan natin kung meron kaming makikitang maganda. And yun, kung meron, bukas na bukas, bibili na niya.
We need my mother.
Yan, nandito na tayo sa Walmart. Lamig-lamig ngayon. Hindi maganda ang weather. Sabi ni Mr. magkakaroon daw ng snowstorm mamaya hapon. Nandito na naman kami sa mga toy area. Sa toy area kasi gusto na naman ni Mr. bilhan si Zayra ng laruan. Ginupitan ko yan si Zayra. Oh. Tingnan niyo. Kasi ang pangit ng buhok niya yung sa dulo, ang nipis. So ginupitan ko siya para pag humaba magpantay-pantay na.
I think you should get one of these.
What is that? Do you think she will like it? Baby, do you like it?
2 to 5 years. She's not 2 years.
Oh, she's not yet 2. She's turning 2 in April. Fish. This one is
There's all kinds of
like that.
really impressed with this.
Pagkabuha ko nito, set siya, conditioner and shampoo. Mga natural stuff kasi nga syempre tayo ay preg as much as possible dapat mga natural. What's that? Ah yeah, that one. I think Zayra will like it. So we are back home and let's start with our grocery shopping haul. First is bananas. Dalawang piling ng banana. Whole milk. Chicharon. Butter. Spam. And then coconut mango juice. Coconut water. Jarritos fruit punch. Tomato and basil. Chili garlic oil. Olives, Reynolds wrap, aluminum foil, another whole milk, fabric conditioner, laundry detergent liquid soap, shampoo and conditioner, tomato paste, another book for Zayra, dalawang celery stalk, tomatoes, strawberries, radish, Hershey's, dark chocolates, blueberries, kiwi, small red beans, and then guava, kasi gagawa kami ng sinigang sa bayabas. Green beans, mini peppers, mangoes, siling haba, apples, avocados, instant noodles, maruchan, mild chili. Gusto rin kasing gumawa ni Mr. ng chilies. Cheerios, and dalawang paper towels, chicken thighs, and then pork, white corn tortillas, ketchup, olives, and then maruchan din na chili flavor, instant noodles, hash browns, beef jerky, brown gravy mix, black pepper, cookies, kucharon, pork, and beef. So, ayun, plus yung toy na binili namin para kay Zara. So, all in all, for this week, yung total ng pinamili namin is $292.05. At least mas mababa siya ng konting-konti kaysa dun sa aming mga previous na nagastos for our grocery shopping kasi nasa 300 plus lahat yun eh. So put away ko lang ito and see you later. Of course, magkakaroon ulit tayo ng shoutout sa ating mga viewers. Plus, i-share na din namin sa inyo kung magkano ang aming weekly grocery shopping budget for this year. And syempre, hindi mawawala ang ating pa-shoutout. Hindi ako nakapag-shoutout sa last 2 videos ko. So syempre, bilang pasasalamat sa inyo na madalas nanonood at sumusuporta sa aming YouTube channel, shoutout namin kayo. And kung sino man yung gusto magpa-shoutout, comment lang kayo. And of course, shoutout namin kayo. Puro shoutout, no? So first is si Sis Helen Villanueva. Thank you so much. Si Arlene Life in Washington State, maraming salamat. Si Miss Evelyn, thank you so much. Si Miss Eden, thank you. And then Warren Rachel Vlogs, maraming salamat. Si RLP 2024, thank you so much sis. Si Miss Jen, thank you po. And then si Elite Blossom, thank you. Korea's Vlogs, Mco Watching, thank you so much. Si Mama. And then si Sis Liza Bernabe. Actually sis, nung sinabi mo na merong frozen okra sa Walmart, naghanap kami, wala talaga kami makita dito sa Walmart na pinupuntahan namin. Magsisinigang pa naman kami, kaso wala eh. And then Noy and Cory, maraming salamat sis. Catalina Mempin, Marie's Vlogs, thank you sa pag-subscribe and sa panonood. Girly Barogo, thank you. JL Steam. And then, what else? Jenny Me G Official, 4673. Lizelle Doria, thank you. Siya yung nag-suggest nung Filipino store. Kaya lang sa Massachusetts yung sinuggest niya sa Quincy. Medyo malayo. Pero thank you so much sa panonood. And then somebody's watching. Maraming salamat. And Josefa Limson. So far, yun muna. So maraming salamat po sa panonood. We really appreciate you all. So share na namin sa inyo kung magkano ang aming weekly grocery shopping budget. Busy si Mr. kasi may kinakausap siya. Meron siya nakita or meron akong nakita na magandang deal. Kaso sa Facebook siya, hindi siya dealership. So, tinatry namin kausapin and kung maging maayos, puntahan namin bukas para nga tingnan itong minivan. So, anyway, love, since you're the one who's handling our finances here at home, how much is our weekly grocery shopping budget for 2025? Because last year, it was $250, right? So, how about now?
It's still technically $250, but we don't stick to it because we buy Zeta's toys and books and your hair care products and unnecessary things, and so it goes up and up and up. And sometimes I buy other things we need and it goes over, but if it wasn't for extra stuff, we'd be under $250 still. But because we're always getting extra stuff, it's just like whatever, forget about it. Because it's the only store we go to anyways, so whatever.
So technically, we're not having any budget at all, weekly grocery shopping budget at all.
I don't have any kind of a budget. We just do whatever.
Yaman. joke, joke lang po. So, yun, hindi na nag-decide si Mr. na wag na kami No, it's just, I'm saying, oh, you have a lot of money for you not to sell, okay? So, yun nga, nag-decide kami, or nag-decide siya dahil siya naman nag-handle ng aming finances, dahil wala naman akong binabayaran dito. Pero, nag-share naman ako sa kanya minsan. Sinasabi ko sa kanya, oh, Mister, kuha ka ng ganda sa bank account ko kasi may access naman siya sa aking bank account. Pero, minsan lang. Minsan kasi ayaw niya din kumuha eh. So, ayun, hindi na kami nagsiset ng grocery shopping budget. Bahala na lang, ganun. Decision naman niya yon. So, ayun po. Kayo ba, meron ba kayong grocery shopping budget and nasusunod niyo ba? Ang hirap din kasi, no? Lalo na pagka nasa, nandun ka na sa, kunwari sa Walmart, tapos ang yung mga nakikita. Pero maganda rin kasi talaga na may grocery, na may budget ka para at least matrack mo yung mga expenses mo. Zira, you wanna eat guava? Hindi na namin to ilalagay sa sinigang kasi meron naman kaming, ang tawag dito, sinigang sa bayabas mix. Yum yum. Si yum yum. So, hindi na namin pupuntahan itong isang nakita namin sa Facebook kasi masyadong malayo. Tapos, maaga yung gusto niyang oras, 9 in the morning. Eh, hindi pwede yung aking mom-in-law kasi kailangan namin siya, di ba? Pagka if ever mabili namin yun, since kasama kami ni Zayda, kailangan pa namin ng isang sasakyan dahil nga ako ay hindi nagda-drive. So, ang gagawin bukas ay, love, what are we planning to do tomorrow?
We're going to go hop around from one used car dealership to another and hopefully find a minivan or multiple minivans to choose from. And if we don't find anything, then we're just gonna take my mother out to lunch or something.
So, iyon ang aming gagawin bukas. Diba, baby? Don't play with the guava. Mama's gonna eat it. Ay! Talaga namang batang ito pasaway. Sabi ni Mister, nung ginupitan ko to si Zayda para daw lesbian si Zayda. Maganda naman kaya. Di ba, baby? Cute naman yung hair mo. So, tapusin ko na ang video dito kasi yung pagluluto niya ng sinigang, gawin ko na lang isa pang video para marami tayong ma-upload na vlog. Kasi naubusan na ako ng mga videos. So, again, maraming salamat po sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa aming YouTube channel. And sana po ituloy-tuloy lang ang inyong panonood at pagsuporta. Thank you so much and thank you for watching our video. See you again on our next vlog. Bye! Love, say bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.